Hello guys, I'm your author. Today I come with very new story. Hope you all hope you all like it. So let's get started. Jimin. One lady loudly called his name. One beauty come out the kitchen. This time he is looking very beautiful. His cute bottom nose make him more attractive. Well, this time he is looking pretty. Who gave you this dress? Look at him and ask Jimin, Nina Nona. Nina Nona, looking down and scaredly say Mrs. Zhang, oof, I tell her many times not give you dresses, but she doesn't listen to me. Think Mrs. Wang first go and make something for me. I'm feeling hungry. Jimmy nodded and he go. He know if he say no, so must be she. There Nina come. She sit beside her. Nina, what happened? Why you are angry? Mrs. Wang, I told you don't give him beautiful clothes. But oh, beautiful clothes. But you didn't listen to me, huh? Nina, Mom, I don't like this dress, literally. That's why I gave him. And you know, if I give him those clothes, so it will good on him. Look at her and say, Mrs. Wang rolled her eyes. Mrs. Wang, shut up and tell me how's your study doing. Nina, good. You know, Mom, I love Jack. He's my new boyfriend. Mrs. Wang, oh, my prettiest daughter. Dear Jimin, come. Jimin, auntie, this is your meal. And Nona, this is your coffee. Nina hold it and she also start to eat. Jimin, auntie, I finish every work, so can I go tomorrow? I have last paper. Looking down and say, Mrs. Wang, go. But you know, but I want to tell you, night time some kids coming, so you have to make some extra dishes. Jimin smiled and hurriedly nodded. Finally, he got a time. Jimin, I will. Thank you so much. Say and go. Behind, she started eating like she doesn't like. Jimin, Nina, Mom, who's coming? Mrs. Wang, oh, no one. Mrs. Wang, no one smirked and said, Nina, so why you told him? Mrs. Wang, I don't want. He got first position, that's why. Nina, oof, Mom, this is not good. Mrs. Wang, पकड़ ला ओनू फाड़ ला आवाज दे Simba. And then they started talking. He's Park Jimin, very beautiful boy, extremely level cute. Now, he always try to cover his cuteness, but he can't. He is staying with his uncle and auntie Jimin parents when he only 6 years old. He is staying with them. Jimin did part-time job. He is very hardworking, but Mrs. Wang, when she get angry, she him. That's why Jimin. He always think one day his prince come and in front of everyone. He always dream that, but sometimes he think how he come because if his prince comes, so Mrs. Wang fixed his marriage with her daughter. Sometimes he think Jimin bear many things in his life. No one gave him love. Sometimes Jimin think what is he even don't know. His friends they all tell him how their parents treat them. Always Jimin eyes get teary. There is no one who handle him, who love him, but he didn't tell to anyone his condition. He always smile. Jimin's smile is Disputing his room, he locked the door and sit on the study table. Jimin in mind, finally my work over. Happily think he opened his book, but his phone started ringing. Well, he attended the call because he is his best friend, Min Taeyang. Jimin guessed, idiot, I'm Taeyang. Jimin smiled. Jimin, sorry, but I think this is wrong number. Tried to control his laugh. Taeyang, shut up. Jimin laughed. Jimin, tell me why you call me. Taeyang, nothing. I want you come my home. We both do combined study. That's why I call you. So how's it? Jimin, oh really? And you think I come? Taeyang, I know you say no as usual. Jimin, if you know my answer, so why you call me? Taeyang rolled her eyes. Taeyang, leave it. Tomorrow come on time, okay? Otherwise, Professor didn't give you your paper. Jimin, I try my best. Otherwise, Auntie. Taeyang, leave, Auntie. I pick up you in your house. Jimin, well, that's good. Come on time. Okay, Taeyang. Okay, bye now. Study hard. You again got a first position. Jimin, okay, done. Now he cut the call and started doing his study. Sometime later, door opened and Mrs. Wong entered the room. Mrs. Wong, I told you na some guest coming. Now leave the study and come with me in kitchen. Jimin, but auntie, one Mrs. Wang, I don't like if you try to say no. Now come with me. Jimin eyes get teary, but he nodded and go with her. So next scene is start. Next day, Tiang is waiting outside. He called Jimin. Jimin tell him he is coming. Taehyung, hurry up, called voice. Tiang, yes, Hyung, just give me 10 minutes. He say and again call Jimin, but he see finally Jimin coming out the door. Jimin opened the door and sit beside him. Taeyang, finally you come. Say Jimin about to tell him something, but Taeyang gave him eye sign, don't speak. Taeyang, Hyung, let's go. Yoongi nodded and start the car. Jimin, huh, Hyung? He shocked. That's why again asked to him. Tiang smiled. Tiang, yes, I told you about my brother about my elder brother. Did you remember? Jimin, yeah, I know. He is very cold, rude, arrogant. Say, make Tiang eyes widen. He cut his sentence. Tiang, Jimin, hey, don't worry. I still remember him. You told me, na? He will say and proudly smile, Yoongi, and I'm sure you didn't see him, right? Look at him with the help of mirror. Jiminy, yes, I didn't see him, but I'm sure he's fatty and blacky and about to complete his sentence, but Taehyung stop him and say, Taehyung, Jimin, meet, he's my Yoongi Hyung. Today he come for dropping us. Widen eyes and say and show him wide eyes. Jimin shocked. Jimin, huh? Taeyang looking down and nodded. Jimin, and very handsome, very cute. Complete his sentence and say he awkwardly smiled. Yoongi again started the car. Taehyung tried to control his laugh. Jimin, why you didn't told me first? Asked him. Taehyung, you didn't give me time. Jimin folded his both hands and looked other side like he is angry on him. Zainab, तुमने अकेडमी नहीं जाना है? है ज़नी? ज़नी, अकेडमी नहीं जाना? ज़नी, ज़नी, just for you and Min ki author. Sorry guys, वो बोली हो गई है, अब चपेट मार के ही सुनेगी। चलो आप ये तो सुनो। Yoongi, do your best and come outside. I pick you. Collie Tiang nodded and looked at Jimin, who's already go out inside. When Jimin go, he also go time skip. Tiang open the door. Tiang, oof, I'm tired. Sam rest his head in seat. Back, Jimin, yeah, paper is very tough. Sit beside him and say, Yoongi, start the car. Tiang, I'm feeling very hungry, Hyung. Yoongi, lunch is ready. Go and eat it. Tiang make weird faces like he have planned to eat outside. Tiang, Hyung, please buy something for my friend. I eat lunch because mom make it, but first he have to make lunch, then he eat it. At least buy one juice for him. Please, Hyung. Please, Yoongi, stop the car in front of market and go inside behind Taeyang. Look at Jimin. Taeyang, do you like my Hyung? Jimin, stop your nonsense. Taeyang, tell me. Jimin, no, I don't like him. Taeyang, make weird faces. Taeyang, idiot. Door open and Yoongi sit down. He gives some snacks for him and both start to eating. First they drop Jimin and now Tian go with him. Yoongi, go inside. I have some work. Tian nodded. Tian, bye Hyung. Yoongi nodded and he go behind. Yoongi, think about this beauty. Jimin voice memorized. Yoongi closed his eyes. He still feels Jimin fragrance. Yoongi in mind. What's happening with me? Think and smile. Zani? तेरे कितने coins हो गए? हैं? कितने पैसे कमा ले? Zani? ओ याद आ? तू भूल गई? Zani? ओए तू भूल गई वाकई? यार वही मैंने कंप्लीट कर लिया फिर दसती हूँ. Some days later, after Dad, Yoongi didn't see Jimin. He listened Jimin's name many times but didn't see him. He closed his eyes and still think about it. Mrs. Min, what happened? Yoongi opened his eyes and looked at her. Yoongi, nothing. Mrs. Min, I feel like my son likes someone. She smirked and said, Yoongi, well, I think it's true. Big smile appeared on her face. Mrs. Min, really? Yoongi, not love. I just like him. Say and smile. Mrs. Min, I know I'm old age, but it doesn't mean I don't have friends. Say, make his smile, Mrs. Min. Now tell me the name. Kim, you really want to know his name? Smith and asked like you have full plan. Chop kar ja. Mrs. Min about to tell him something, but there Taehyung come. Taehyung, see mom, finally Jimin come. Hold Jimin hand and enter the living room. That time he wears simple white color shirt and black color trouser. He is looking very cute and beautiful. Yoongi see him and faces place. Like suddenly, his heart start to Mrs. Min. Stand up and hug him, Mrs. Min. Welcome, son. Yoongi, thank you so much. Smile and say Jimin hello. Look at Yoongi and say, but he just nodded. Yoongi, mom, we both in my room. Call me when you place the dinner. Mrs. Min smiled and nodded. Now both go, but Yoongi who still look at Jimin. Mrs. Min, so Yoongi, she say and look at him. Simba, Be, Mano, Mama. उन्हें नहीं लगना, उन्हें अपना गला प्लीज नहीं करना. चलो मेरा नेक्स्ट स्टेप स्टार्ट हो गया. Mrs. Min, Yoongi, tell me. Yoongi, mom. Mrs. Min, look at him and smile. Mrs. Min, I want Jimin as my husband in my life. I didn't ask you anything, but now I want. She shocked to see Yoongi like this. Yoongi, like coldest person now because become coldest persons now because of softest. Mrs. Mint, you like Jimin? ओए उन्हें मार जाना. ओए ला. Yoongi, I don't know. Actually, I only know one thing. He is mine. Anything actually कहता. Look into her eyes, Mrs. Min, in mine. Finally, my love fell in love. My son. Think and look at Yoongi, who's again closes his eyes and feels Jimin fragrance like this. Feelings is enough for him. Jimin is in house. Mrs. Min. Yoongi. 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 Mom. ਐਵੇਂ ਐਂਡ ਦੀਆਂ 4 ਲਾਈਨਾਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਪਈਆਂ. 4 ਉਹ ਤੇ ਮੁੱਕ ਗਿਆ. ਸੱਚੀ ਝੂਠ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲਣ ਦੀ. ਲੈ Yoongi, mom, look at me. Mrs. Min smiled. Yoongi, after marriage he is Min Jimin and I think this is enough for whole world. She smiled and whole world. ਕਿਹੜਾ ਮਾਈ ਦਾ ਲਾਲ ਰੋਕਦਾ. Mrs. Min, no, yeah. ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਲੈ ਆਇਆ. ਸਾਡੀ ਸਰਦਾਰਨੀ ਨੇ. Sometime later, Yoongi sit his chair, his eyes struck on the stairs like he know there anything, and Jimin, come down there, Ting. Mrs. Min, calm down, Yoongi. It doesn't suit you. Try to tease him, Yoongi. Mom, I also know what I'm doing. I also don't know. My eyes want to see him every time. Say make Mrs. Min smile. Ting and Jimin come down. Ting, auntie, sorry for disturbing you. I don't. Who is a new Polandia? I told Ting no need to arrange the dinner. Looking down and said Jimin, well, I also don't know. Mom make that much dishes. Say and see whole table. Mrs. Min, you both now stop it and sit down. Both happily sit their seats. Jimin sit in front of Yoongi. Yoongi eyes stuck on Jimin's face. महबूबे दीदार एक अल्लाह की नेमत है रे. और महबूब भी इतना खूबसूरत. वल्लाह आलम है इसकी हालत है. Yoongi in mind, what's happening with me? Think and look at this video. Who's busy to smiling and laughing? Mrs. Min, okay, now stop talking and laughing. First eat the dinner. Both nodded. Yoongi phone started ringing. He attended the call. He is busy with someone. He say one wand on his hand. He shocked. He about to ask him, but he realized he don't have this right to ask him. Well, he cut the call. Mrs. Min, son, now stay here. Outside is too dark. Jimin, but auntie, how can I? Looking down and say, Yoongi in mind, why are you trying to think and look at him? Mrs. Min, no, Jimin, stay here. I sent maid. Simba, मुझको अकेला छोड़ दिया इन्होंने. हाय मेरे रब्बा. There she did all the work now, but now you stay here. Jimin auntie scolded me. Say, looking down, eyes filled with tears. Mrs. Min, now she will not. Tomorrow I go there. Jimin smiled. Jimin really happy as Mrs. Kim now ate dinner. He nodded and both started eating. Jimin feel like someone staring at him, but when he look up, he see Yoongi look at him. So he again looking down, like this feeling is very beautiful. If someone loves you and look at you with his loving eyes, this is the most beautiful feeling in the world. But he tried to control himself. Taeyang, Jimin, your favorite juice. Jimin happily nodded. Yoongi also started eating. Taeyang, Hyung, Jimin want Prince come his life. Say and look at Yoongi like Taeyang. No, but what's going in Yoongi mind? But Yoongi just nodded. Well, Jimin shut up. Taehyung, Mom, he always think one day his prince come who everyone who tease him like Smeg. Jimin looking down, Mrs. Min, oh my cutie. Say make Jimin awkwardly smile. Mm. Taehyung, if you done so come. He nodded and both go behind Mrs. Min, look at Yoongi and raised one eyebrow. Mrs. Min, now I realize why my Yoongi. Hmm, hmm, Say make Yoongi laugh. Yoongi, for him, I myself and others for some time. Mrs. Win also gets scared, but she smiled and nodded. Now he also go behind Yoongi. Think about him. Oof, listen. Oh, this is the voice of my cat. Next day, Yoongi is busy in his phone. Suddenly, door was knocked and Taeyang entered the room. Taehyung, Yoongi, look at him. Yoongi, what happened? The end. Hope you all like. If you like, then subscribe and tell me.